Yo, we may be closed, but we're still working. I'm here with Chris from Satin Finish Flooring and Painting, baby. And look what they did here. They brought us, right, beach party pizza. Of course, we needed the decor. We're working on it all the time, always improving, always getting better. Boom, boom, boom. Check it out, ladies and gentlemen. The flooring is just finished. Don't come by and stick your finger in and kick you right in your ass. Okay? You want to come by and say hello? Say hello. Blow on it with me. We're getting it ready, kids. Check it out. The new flooring. Everybody say thank you. The satin concrete, epoxy, and flooring like that. Boom, boom, boom. You want to look like that? You want to get right? You want to be the best in the world like Beach Party Pizza? You want to have the best pizza? You want to have the best flooring? You got to work with these cats right here.
Let's go, baby.
Boom, boom, boom. Chris,
let's go.
Satin Finish, baby. Get on down here, baby. 3009 Las Olas Boulevard. We're having a grand opening this Saturday.